Cash versus accrual. Which one is better for your shop? Let's break it down. Hey, I'm Ryan with CSI, and this is a question we get from auto repair shops all the time. So in this video, I'll explain what cash basis accounting is, what accrual basis accounting is, and when each one makes sense depending on what kind of shop you're on. With cash basis accounting, revenue is recorded when money is received, and expenses are recorded when the money is paid. Let's say you complete a $10,000 repair for a fleet customer in March, but they don't pay until April. Under cash basis, that revenue shows up in April because that's when the money entered the bank account. The same applies to expenses. If you receive a parts bill in March, but pay it in April, the expense shows up in April. Cash basis is relatively simple because it closely follows the activity in your bank account. With accrual basis accounting, revenue is recorded when it's earned, even if the customer hasn't paid yet. Expenses are recorded when they're incurred, even if you haven't paid the bill yet. Using the same example, the $10,000 fleet repair would show up as March revenue because that's when your shop completed the work. The parts and the other costs associated with the repair would also be recorded in March. This gives you a better picture of how the shop actually performs during that month. So which one is the better option for your shop? Cash basis can work well for a smaller shop where most customers pay immediately after the repair is completed. It can be good if you have very few fleet accounts, very little accounts receivable, and not many unpaid vendor bills at the end of each month. In that situation, there probably isn't a major timing difference between when you complete the work and when the money changes hands. Cash basis is easier to manage, and it can give you enough information to run a fairly simple operation. Accrual basis, on the other hand, is usually more helpful for a growing or more complicated shop. That may include shops that invoice a lot of fleet or commercial customers, shops that deal with a lot of insurance-related work, shops that allow customers to pay on terms, shops that have significantly unpaid vendor bills, carry a larger amount of parts or inventory, or use monthly reports to make hiring or pricing decisions. The more time there is between completing a repair, collecting the payment, and paying the related bills, the less accurate cash-based reports may become. For example, you could have a great month operationally, but if several large customers have not paid yet, cash basis reports may make that month look weak. Then those payments arrive the following month and make that month look unusually profitable. Accrual accounting helps match the revenue with the month in which the work was actually completed. Cash basis is usually easier. Accrual basis usually gives you a clear picture of performance. But accrual accounting doesn't mean you can ignore cash flow either. Your reports may show that the shop earned a profit, but you still need enough cash in the bank to cover payroll, parts, rent, and other bills. So while accrual accounting helps you understand profitability, it's your actual cash flow reports that help you understand whether you can pay your obligations. Of course, we recommend that you pay attention to both. So to recap, if nearly every customer pays at pickup and you run a smaller, straightforward operation, cash basis may be perfectly reasonable. If you have fleet customers, open invoices, vendor terms, multiple technicians, or more complicated operations, accrual basis will usually give you more useful financial information. But before changing your accounting method, talk with your accountant. The right method can depend on your tax situation, inventory, business structure, and how your shop has reported income in the previous years. It's more than just changing a setting in QuickBooks. At CSI Accounting Payroll, we help auto repair shop owners understand their numbers, manage cash flow, and get a clear picture of how their business is actually performing. If you want to learn more about working with a monthly accounting firm, you should check out our website where we have a ton of free resources for auto repair shops, including pricing templates for parts and labor. You can also get an instant estimate using our pricing calculator. And of course, you can reach out anytime and talk through your situations with one of our experts. Conversations are free. I'll link below in the video description. And if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. We make weekly videos for auto repair shops and small business owners. See you in the next one.